Hi, boys and girls. This is going to be Pete the Cat Goes Camping with Our Senses. So first, what I need you to do is to scan this QR and listen to the book Pete the Cat Goes Camping. If you need to pause this and listen to the book, you can go ahead and do that. After you listen to the book, you are going to come down here and cut out your 5 senses. When you cut out your 5 senses, I need you to glue them on a question mark for whatever event matches the sense. So which one shows taste of smell, which one shows sense of taste, which one shows something that they could smell, which one shows something they're touching, which one shows something they're listening to, and which one shows something they see. All right, good luck, boys and girls.